Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create your own sticker in Snapchat. Custom stickers are a fun way to personalize your snaps. Now let's dive into the topic. First of all, open your Snapchat app, make sure that you have already logged in. Now take a picture by tapping on camera button. You can also upload the photo from your gallery from camera roll. For that, tap on overlapping cards over here and go to camera roll. Then open the photo. On your right side, you can see several options over there: text, caption, and stickers. Tap on downward arrow to open more. There you can see seizure icon. Tap on it. This is the tool you will use to create your sticker. Now carefully draw around the part of a photo you want to turn into the sticker. You can outline the object, portion, or any section of the image. Let's do it. I'm going to make this sticker over here. This is a little bit messy, but you can do it in your own way. Once you release your finger, Snapchat will automatically save your selection as a sticker. Then tap on done. And here is a sticker. Your new sticker will appear in the sticker drawer, which you can access by tapping the smiley face icon while editing the app. Now let's check it out. Open your new photo. Go to stickers over here. Then tap on seizures. And here you have your sticker. Tap on it. Now you can drag, resize, and even rotate your sticker to add it into your snap. The best part is that your custom sticker will be saved for future use, so you can add it to any snap whenever you like. And there you have it. You have successfully created your own Snapchat sticker. If this video made it a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in next video.